Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense color grayscale in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show sense color to grayscale. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now for click, then click for insert option. Now you can see insert from picture. This picture change the color to grayscale. Now going to the recolor option. Now select from any color. Now for click. Now select from a spray. That is. Now you can see sense color to grayscale in Microsoft Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for